We will explore the wonderful world of herbal tea and why it's a fantastic choice for your health and well-being. Herbal teas are made from a variety of plants, each with its own unique set of benefits. Let's delve into the reasons why incorporating herbal tea into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your health. Herbal teas are known for their calming properties. Ingredients like chamomile and lavender can help soothe your nerves and promote relaxation after a long day. Herbal teas like ginger and peppermint can aid digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants and may contribute to lower blood pressure and heart health, making it a delicious choice for your cardiovascular well-being. To prepare your herbal tea, simply pour hot water over your chosen herbs, steep for a few minutes, and enjoy the delicious, natural flavors and benefits. So, next time you're looking for a comforting, health-boosting beverage, remember to choose herbal tea. For sure your body and mind will thank you.